Welcome to Kanien'keha, Ionkwateweienhstonhatie, lesson 6. Today we're going to be looking at our next diacritical mark, which is called the Ionkwateweienhstonhatie, or the glottal stop. We're also going to be looking at the letter H and the sound that it makes. So a lot of people get these two confused when they're reading a Kanien'keha word. For example, let's look at the word Ionkwateweienhstonhatie. Ga, nu, ze, res. Ganu, uzerdes. Ganu, uzerdes. You can tell that it stops just a little bit. You can feel it in your throat. You can feel the air supply cut off just a little bit. Ganu, uzerdes. The next word we're going to look at is nahare. O, no, ha, re. O, nahare. And our next word is Kanien'keha. Ni, yo, hun, de, sa. Kanien'keha. Kanien'keha. Ganu, uzerdes. Ganu, uzerdes. O, nahare. O, nahare. Kanien'keha. Kanien'keha. Now let's look at the H sound in Kanien'keha words. Our first word we'll look at is ohneganos. 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 So when you pronounce the word ohneganos, you should feel that H on your palm. So if you see a H and you're trying to pronounce a word, put your palm to your mouth and say the word. And if you feel the air on your palm, you'll know that you're saying it properly. Ohneganos. Ohneganos. Our next word is wahtaoses. Wahtaoses. Wah-da-o-ses. Wahtaoses. Wahtaoses. And our next word is Ionkwateweienhstonhatie. Ionkwateweienhstonhatie. Now let's recap the words with the H sounds. Ohneganos. Wahtaoses. Ionkwateweienhstonhatie. Now we're going to look at a word that has both the Ionkwateweienhstonhatie and the H in the word. And that word is Langauge. Garhadageha. Now let's do a recap of all the words that we looked at today that have the Ionkwateweienhstonhatie and the words that have the H and a word that has both. Remember, the sound of the Ionkwateweienhstonhatie sounds like it's cutting off your air supply just a little bit. And it's like a pause. Ganu uzerdes. Ganu uzerdes. O nahare. O nahare. Kanien'keha. Kanien'keha. And now the words with H. Remember, when you're pronouncing a word with a H, you should be able to feel it on your palm. Ohneganos. Wahtaoses. Ionkwateweienhstonhatie. And we have a word here that we looked at with both the Ionkwateweienhstonhatie and the H. Garhadageha. Garhadageha. Ionkwateweienhstonhatie for joining us for Ionkwateweienhstonhatie lesson 6. Ionkwateweienhstonhatie.